I have been walking down the streets of the crypto world, the crypto universe, looking for that perfect crypto agent coin that might 100x my investment. Do you know what I found? You'll be shocked. You'll be surprised to discover what crypto AI agent coin that might 100x my investment. Well, in today's video, I want to dive into that crypto agent AI coin that I believe might 100x my investment. And I want to explain to you guys why I think this AI agent coin has that potential to 100x my investment. All I do here is share with you guys content that I think is educational and can help you in your investment journey in this brutal crypto industry. I talk about projects that have potential to make us amazing gains. I also do analysis and talk about market structure, support and resistance to help you understand when to buy and when to take out profit. If this is the kind of content you love, you want to see in this space, then you should subscribe right now. I don't know why you haven't yet subscribed, but if say you are new, then that's awesome. That's understandable. But if you are an OG, then why haven't you subscribed? Go right now and subscribe to this channel. And also, I have a Telegram community where I share my buy and sell signal alert, what I'm buying and what I'm selling. I share it there. So make sure you check it out as well. All the links are found below this video. But now let's dive into this AI coin that I think might 100x my investment. Guys, this is Phala Network. Phala Network is one of the top AI agent coin out there that I believe might 100x my investment. I want to explain to you guys more in the course of this video why I think this AI agent coin has the potential to 100x our investment. Now, let's go into what it has done in the past, right? For the year, this coin is down 25 to 9%. For the month alone, is down 52%. For the week alone is down 15% and the day is down 2.6%. And you can see clearly that this coin is ranked 326 and 27 in the crypto space as of now that I'm doing this video. So why is this coin so important? Okay, the reason why this coin is so important is because it's an infrastructure. This is an infrastructural project. Now, I'm going to explain to you guys what I mean by an infrastructure. Okay, when you are investing in cryptocurrency, you need to understand what an infrastructural project is all about and what a normal token is all about. Now, an infrastructural project is more of that project which onboard new project into the ecosystem. Let's say Ethereum blockchain, right? This is an infrastructural project and it's a coin, and it invites other projects to launch their tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Same with Sui, same with Solana, same with Bitcoin and other blockchains out there. Now, these tokens that are launched on these platforms, they are just tokens, right? They can fail. Okay, they can fail, but these infrastructures are going to be designed every now and then to onboard new project to their system, right? To plug in new project to their system. And Phala Network is an infrastructural project for AI agent. So they are building an environment that will onboard AI agent to their infrastructure. And this is something that you should need to understand. They are more into Web3, in the Web3 space. I've done a video about what this coin is all about. You know, I've done a whole review about Phala Network. So you can go and check this video about Phala Network and get more perspective of what I'm trying to explain here. So this alone is one of the main fundamentals that you need to see, not only in this project, in other projects that you want to invest in the future. So this aspect of Phala Network gives me that confirmation that this coin is going to be one of the top coins out there that might make me so much profit. Now, there's something here I want us to focus, which is very important. And I think when you look at it right now, it might help you when you are looking at other coins out there. Volume. Volume is key. When you see a coin that has good volume, I mean high volume, then you want to focus on that project. Meaning there are investors who are buying or people who are trading that coin. And you can see this bad boy is now at 55.73 million volume and it is up 78%, almost 79% for the past 24 hours, meaning there's more and more and more people who are interested in this coin. You want to be in a coin that people are interested in, not in a coin that people are not buying or are not holding, right? Even though you see that this coin is among the top 300 in the space, you need to understand that it can make its way to the top 100 in no time. Okay, and let's say this coin go to the cap of 10 billion. That's a huge profit. That's why I think because they are an infrastructure, they have the potential to skyrocket to more than even 100x. Many coins have done that. This one is not different. Now, another metrics I want you guys to understand is this: the supply. This coin has 1 billion in supply, like total supply. But what is in circulation is 778 million far, which is awesome. And this amount to about 77, I think 77.81%, while we have just 6% lock and 16% on track. Maybe it has disappeared to the dungeon. Okay. But what is important is that most of the supply is already in circulation, meaning the volume you see out there gonna be real volume. No dumping on anyone. We're not gonna be scared that they're gonna release this amount to dump on this or that. No. We know that most of the supply is already out there in circulation. And we can see clearly also how long it's gonna last for all of the supply to be in circulation. You can see right up to 2030. They're gonna release all the remaining 6% to the public, and that's gonna be awesome. And from now onwards, you can make massive gains from this bad boy. And let's get to the juicy part of today's analysis. This is the chart of Phala. Guys, when this coin made headlines in the crypto space, I told most of my community members that don't buy Phala right now. Wait, because this form is just mere hype. We're going to get in at the right time. And I told them that this vector that you see that price is forming, price is going to eat all of this vector back again and reset price before we start seeing the real upward movement. And price did exactly that. It doesn't matter whether it was because of Bitcoin or tariff or blah blah blah. All that matters is we focus on TA, and what happens after that is not our problem. So we focus on TA to help us understand market structure, what price is doing, what the market makers are doing to help us know when to buy and when to stay away from the market. And looking at this huge move to the upside, this wasn't a sustainable move. There was going to be a correction, and we saw this correction. Guys, this move started right back here. We saw how this coin made this a huge move to the upside. It came back and retest this zone again. It made a huge move and make higher highs from the previous high. You can see it retraced again on this weekly time frame, and now we are seeing price trying to recover from this huge downward trend. Looking at the weekly time frame and previous price action, we can see that this coin has made a move right up to more than $1. If the price is to leave from where it is right now and target just $1, let's say, that's gonna be about 10x. Yeah, about 10x your investment. Yeah, about 10x your investment. Seven, give or take 10x your investment. And this can happen like that. Look at what happened in a week. Just in 1 week, we saw this huge pump to the upside. And this was how many percent? Let me see quickly how many percent that was from this zone to that zone. That was about 4x. It 4x in 1 week. So you can 4x your investment in 1 week. And now look at what happened, guys. What happened afterward? We saw how price dipped back. And let's see how many percent for that has fallen from the top. So let's see how many percent right now. That's 81%. So you would have made 4x, then you cash out your 4x, price would have dropped about 81%. You buy back and then wait to take the next ride to the upside. So this chart on the weekly time frame is very important because I can see the broader perspective of what this coin has done in the past, like the previous price action, and look at the future, what might happen, with price. And this is going to help me more to position myself, not to FOMO in, but to wait at the right time to get into the coin. And when is the right time to get in the coin? We can drop down to the daily time frame to see what is going on here on this time frame. You can see clearly, guys, that we are still in an uptrend on this daily time frame. If I draw this trend line, you're gonna see that price is still in an uptrend following this trend line. Okay, so what we want to see right now or to happen in the future, price should at least its way down, come up, make it way down, go up, start moving around this trend line, go up, move around this trend line, then boom to the upside. But the truth is, I will have to be honest with you guys. We can still see price move right down around the 0.1159. Why? Because we have seen this week right down here. There's high chances that they can still bring price, yeah. But what I'm trying to say to you guys is don't expect price to just move right up straight away. Expect price to build the contract gradually, like come down a little bit, build it, build it, build it, build it, and then take price to the upside. Now, the reason why I'm not bothered about price going down is because of what I showed you guys here with the volume. Look at the volume, how it is increasing. It means more investors are coming back on board to buy this coin, Phala. And because they want to buy Phala, I also want to buy Phala. And because they love Phala, I also love Phala. And because I love Phala, I also want you guys to love Phala. And you can walk with me on the street of crypto to buy more of such coin if, say, you are subscribed to my platform. All of this brings me to this conclusion. Phala Network is one of the top AI agent crypto out there that can 100x your investment. Not just because I say so, but because of what I've shown you about the project. All the data, all the analysis I've shown you prove that this coin has investors or a community behind it who are striving to get more of the coin. And because there are more people out there striving to get more of this coin, I myself, I want to enjoy from the coin as well. I want to get more of it also and enjoy the benefit when it pumps. So if this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, then you know what to do. Subscribe, like the content, and share it with someone else out there. Having said all of this good stuff, guys, see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Ciao.